Hello and welcome. I'm Stan Labanowski, and I will show you how to flip the secondary math classroom with Google applications to create a highly productive professional and student learning community. Nussbaum, Beach, and Hall define connected learners as learners who develop networks and construct knowledge from wherever they live, collaborate online, use social media to interact with colleagues around the globe, engage in conversations in safe online spaces, and bring what they learn online back to their classrooms, schools, and districts. By blending active teacher collaboration with instruction augmented by video, we will explore how to build a connected learning community. My community includes two interwoven groups, high school math educators across our district and their students. Teachers often feel isolated when experimenting with new methods, and students need flexible access to lessons. We'll use Google Chat for teacher collaboration, including sharing lesson plans, adopting technology, and identifying best practices. We will use YouTube and Google Classroom for student-facing flipped lessons they can study to prepare for class. Together, these primary applications will unite educators and learners around a common goal, improving math achievement. To foster collaboration, I'll set up chat rooms, lesson planning, tech help, and teachers forum where teachers can post goals, experiences, and challenges, and interact to co-create lessons and lesson templates. To build relationships, another chat room called Coffee Break will invite broader sharing of educational hobbies and experiences beyond discussions of flipped classrooms. To encourage student collaboration, we will enable comments on each YouTube video and foster polls and comments in Google Classroom. To promote direct human interaction, monthly live stream Q&A sessions via Google Meet will bring both teachers and students together. I chose Google applications because of their individual capabilities and their integration with each other. I selected Google Chat as the primary platform for building the community because its threaded rooms support both synchronous and asynchronous teacher dialogue and integrate seamlessly with Drive. YouTube offers video hosting, robust analytics, and playlist organization by unit. The community will remain flexible and can adapt to other technology options if desired, which could include applications like Edpuzzle for video functions or Padlet for brainstorming to turn lessons into interactive hubs. Together, these tools keep everyone connected and engaged. To launch the community, I will invite math colleagues and email teachers in our district's professional network. New teachers will receive a welcome message and chat outlining community norms and a short tutorial video on using Google applications. Students will be introduced to Google Classroom and the YouTube channel during class and will complete registration. They will begin by watching a Getting Started playlist that explains how lessons will be administered. To encourage involvement, one teacher and one student will be recognized each week for their contributions to the community. Keeping everyone engaged requires variety and member choice. Each Monday, teachers will receive a pedagogical prompt in chat seeking feedback, while students see a problem of the week on the YouTube community tab, which will be a graded assignment. Quick weekly Google Form polls in chat allow members to vote on upcoming topics, ensuring the community remains responsive and member-driven. Once a month, we will host a live flipped classroom forum on Google Meet, during which a different teacher leads a 10-minute recorded talk to showcase an innovative flipped classroom tip or experience. Those insights will then circle back into the feedback loop in chat to guide lesson development. For educators, adoption by new members is very important. To build personal connections, every new member will be paired with a colleague experienced in Google applications and community functions. I'll pin a short how-to playlist on each platform and host trainings on subject matter content and digital collaboration. Students will become involved contributors by flipping class assignments and interacting with their peers and the instructor through the applications when they are not in the classroom. For long-term sustainability, we will establish a rotating leadership team of 2 teachers and 2 students. They will moderate chat rooms, curate new video content, and gather community feedback each quarter. At the end of the year, we will compile a short community impact report that includes metrics, videos created, polls run, and trainings held, along with success stories and survey highlights. An annual review will refresh tutorials and remove outdated videos. This shared ownership will keep our community dynamic and relevant. We anticipate barriers such as teachers' limited time, our major concern, which we'll address by providing direct support resources and addressing scheduling conflicts, a minor issue mitigated by asynchronous options and recordings. For students, a major barrier is device and internet access, which we'll tackle by preloading videos onto school devices. While some time constraints may persist, our strategies like peer support and responsive content aim to build a resilient community. In essence, By leveraging Google applications, we will cultivate a vibrant, connected learning community, empowering teachers through collaboration and enhancing student engagement to improve math achievement for everyone. Our immediate next steps include sending a follow-up survey for initial feedback, setting up the core Google Chat and Classroom platforms with invitations for early adopters within 2 weeks, and scheduling our first informal meeting via Google Meet by month's end to collaboratively plan initial content. Your participation is key as we build this supportive environment together.